Hello. Hello. Good evening. This is the second day of March, and usually March is the month for assessment. We're talking about evaluation of your progress for the whole school year. Now, this video concentrates on the assessment, okay? Assessment, or simply the summative tests in chemistry. Now, there are two types of tests, high school curriculum. One is formative and the other one is the summative test. When you speak about summative, the word sum, what does it mean? Yet now, your progress from the beginning up to this time, because it is already the end of the school year. So it is the sum of the whole, the totality of your learning progress in chemistry in general. Therefore, we have what we call summative tests. And this summative test is graded, while the formative is not graded nor recorded. However, this is also the type of test that you have to show your progress from the first unit up to the last. This is what you call the summative test. Speaking of summative tests in chemistry, you're supposed to study the minimum essentials learning competencies. You have to meet the standards of the graded assessment, graded tests. As I said, there are two types of tests, the summative. Now, in this particular summative test in chemistry, they taught that students learned very much. 80% of the total lessons learned or discussed by the teacher has something to do with, for example, the continuation of your core subjects to the specialization subjects. Perhaps the core subjects in physical science is earth science, physical science, and chemistry. Because there is a separate subject for general chemistry 1 for science, technology, engineering, mathematics, strat for senior high school. I guess this is the prerequisite for its core subject. However, we're talking about here the physical science, and we will have chemistry as one of the subjects in the physical science that will take effect with the summative test. The summative test, as I said, is recorded and graded for every grading period. For example, this is the fourth quarter period, so this is already the last assessment. Perhaps the fourth summative test in chemistry, particularly physical science. Now, in the first chapter, we're talking here, for the first 40, we're talking here the polarity, different kinds of compounds will be the biochemistry compounds. It's composed of the different molecules in life. So we have this coverage. So I just want to give you two clues. One is organic and the other one is biochemistry. So you're supposed to review first organic and then the biochemistry. And perhaps we have this test this coming week or maybe next week. But they already prepared for the summative test for the last quarter, but it's already March 2022. So in the Philippines educational system, March usually is the closing period, but because of pandemic, this is already the third every quarter. So good luck to everyone and see you next video for this test. And as I said, it is just a clue for those students who want to take chemistry. I will give you some hint later on. Okay? Thank you very much.